So you just want to control where you're looking. Not a problem. Shoutouts to Gorka Games where I learned this from. Definitely check his video out if you want the more full explanation. Alright, let's say you have a basic NPC character blueprint and you want it to look at you. So for this we're going to right click, create a new ABP, name it whatever you want, and make sure your NPC blueprint is using the ABP. Then from the event blueprint update, drag out a cast to BP third person character. From object drag out a get player character. Then from here drag out a get mesh, get socket location, and we want the NPC to look at our head, and we'll promote the return variable like this, call it look coordinates, and drag everything together like so. Now in the anim graph, we're going to grab a look at node, and when you drag it in, it will look like this. Now from the look at node under skeletal control, we'll set bone to modify the head, and under look location, under clamp, set it to something like 55 and interpolation to 99. And finally, we'll want to expose the bind as a pin, grab the look coordinate variable, and connect it to the look at location. You're done. The clamp at 55 just keeps the head from rotating too far when we get behind the character. If you did not clamp it, the head would do creepy stuff like this. Maybe you're into that kind of stuff, but I usually leave it at 55. But regardless, I hope that helps, and as always, hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you around.